Discoveries, and I'm K4 Kiran, and today we're going to be visiting World of Birds, and right now we're going to be visiting the Monkey Sanctuary. This place is awesome. They have monkeys, reptiles, birds, and they're all in South Africa. These monkeys can climb all over you, and this place is in Hout Bay, South Africa, and it's called the World of Birds. And as you can see, there's tons of monkeys in here. So let's go check these bad boys out. These things can poop on you, so you better wear something protective. Apparently, if you don't grab them, they won't actually bite. Oh, there's so many. And they will spawn if you just be patient. As you can see. These ones, I don't know the name of them, but they look pretty cute. Wow, this place is huge. See the monkeys everywhere. Oh, look.
Mama se kop, de soep vloeien. Kijk, de soep vloeien in mama se kop. En de soep vloeien.
That's it, Kiran.
Wow. There's so many monkeys here. There's one over there. There's one up in the tree there. I'm gonna go see if I can get one to climb on me. Whoa! I thought I was only gonna see birds and monkeys and reptiles, but it turns out that they also have fish here. Goldfish, koi. Look at them. They are pretty. Whoa! Look. There's one right here. Hello? Hello? Come on. Hello. Hello. Whoa! The penguin. And we've got a bunch of black and white South African birds here. Over there we've got the big great black swan. And if you look up there, the sacred ibises kind of made their own nest themselves. The geese and the penguins have even made their homes here in these vases, and they've burrowed them out, as you can see. There's a little penguin, if you come over here, hiding in there. And that one right over there. If you look very close to him, you might see his beak poking out. Right there. You can see his little eye. You see him? It's kind of cute. So yeah, these are all South African black and white birds, and there's a mix between geese, swans, and penguins. So yeah, let's go see what else we can find. gotta go through here. There you go. You are a neat bird. I love your coloring. Whoa, Mom, he is flexing. That one almost bucked my foot, Mom. Okay, subscribers, and now we have found the Nicobar pigeon over here from Cambodia, India, Vietnam, I mean, with these beautiful feathers. Excuse me. And these shaggy feathers here, we've got a beautiful representation here, and they have these rainbow feathers along their wings, and the shaggy dark navy blue feathers on their head and on their stomach. Their wings have a bit of white on them, and I think they're one of my new favorite birds. And now we have found the Cape/Marsh terrapin over here. It's sort of like a tortoise, and you can see there's tons on here. They look like they're all great buddies. And up on the wall here, we have this laughing kookaburra. It has a very thick beak that's used for catching fish, and boy, is this guy pretty. And now we've got the Indian blue peafowl, and he's got a short neck, so he can't quickly bite you. And I love the colors on this bird. He can't nip me quickly, you know what I mean?
Kiran, be nice to him.